In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on spell check in Google Chrome. To begin, make sure Google Chrome is open on your computer. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From this menu, select Settings. Now that you are in Chrome Settings, look at the left-hand side of the screen. There should be a sidebar with different categories. In the left-hand sidebar, click Languages. After clicking Languages, the right side of the screen will update to show language settings. Depending on your version of Chrome and the size of your window, the spell check section may already be visible, or you may need to scroll down a little. Look for the option that says Check for spelling errors when you type text on web pages. Next to this option, there will be a switch or toggle. If the switch is turned off, it will usually appear gray or inactive. If it is turned on, it will usually appear blue or active. To turn spell check on, click the toggle next to Check for spelling errors when you type text on web pages. You do not need to save the settings separately. Chrome applies the change automatically, so once the toggle is on, you can simply continue using the browser. After enabling it, Chrome will begin checking spelling in supported text fields while you type. When Chrome detects a possible spelling mistake, it may underline the word so you can review it. That covers everything you need to know.